China, Australia, Saudi Arabia. The main reason China is turning its deserts into green landscapes is to combat desertification. Desertification poses severe environmental and socioeconomic challenges. By transforming deserts into green areas, China aims to improve ecological stability, protect farmland, and ensure sustainable development for affected regions. Australia is also greening its deserts, primarily to boost agricultural productivity and ensure sustainable land use. By enhancing soil health and water management, they're creating new opportunities of farming and biodiversity conservation. Saudi Arabia is also greening its deserts to mitigate environmental challenges such as desertification and water scarcity. These efforts not only support economic diversification but also contribute to global environmental sustainability goals. Let's see how they are turning desert into greenlands. Water management, implementing efficient irrigation systems such as drip irrigation or using techniques like water harvesting to capture and store rainfall. Soil improvement, adding organic matter, such as compost or manure, to improve soil structure and nutrient content. Soil stabilization techniques may also be used to prevent erosion. Vegetation selection, planting drought-resistant and native species that can thrive in arid conditions. This may include trees, shrubs, and grasses that help stabilize the soil and contribute to ecosystem restoration. Windbreaks and shelter belts, planting rows of trees or shrubs to reduce wind speed and prevent soil erosion, creating more favorable conditions for plant growth. Technology and innovation, using innovative technologies such as hydroponics or aeroponics for controlled cultivation in arid areas. Solar desalination can also provide fresh water for irrigation. The transformation of a desert into a lush, green landscape showcases the incredible potential of sustainable practices and innovative technologies in revitalizing arid regions.